What's up? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm bringing you something really special because I am up in Lapland, the North Pole in Finland, doing some rallying with the one and only Ruairí Bell. So it's a really exciting opportunity to be able to hop in the car with him, experience an R5 on snow and on ice, and see what this thing is really capable of. So I don't think it needs much more of an introduction than that. Let's get straight into some massive sends. So I'm at the stage start at the moment. This is the sign, and behind me is a huge straight. So I'm told that this stage is a pretty fast one, and I think that's pretty plain to see. So Rory will be getting some big sends on, and he'll be hitting some massive numbers and speeds, and I imagine he'll be going pretty much flat out, like bouncing off that limiter, especially on this section. So it's gonna be damn intense, just put it that way. Also, I should mention, for those of you who don't know, I am the man behind the magic, behind the editing, behind the camera for Rory's videos, and we're creating a bunch of content out here in Finland for his channel. So please do me a massive favour, click the link down in the description below and make sure you subscribe to his channel. We're always filming awesome content, and if you like rally cars, if you like just flat out sends, if you like adrenaline rushes, then you need to be subscribed, because we have got some awesome content on the way. So just thought I'd put that out there. Get on it, there's going to be some sick content to come. So Mr. Ruairí Bell, here he is.
Good morning everybody, how are we? I'm about to sit in the rally car.
His coach is currently driving his rally car, and I think he's f***ing himself a bit, because you don't really like anyone driving your rally cars.
Well, it's not really that, it's just...
It's that.
It is exactly that.
On this surface, don't you? Like proper rallying. It's like what I'm used to on dirt. Like, hey! It's sick. So sick. Yeah. Mega, man. Absolutely mega. surface is the pinnacle of what I imagine rallying to be.
Yeah.
It's the pinnacle. It's so fun.
I'd say it's as much the surface as it is just the finish form.
So you'd say even on gravel in Finland, it would be a similar sort of
Yeah, it's a similar sort of
experience.
Yeah.
Makes sense. It's bloody serious stuff. It's yeah, incredible.